So this is a demo of a quick and easy way to back up a particular project in Notion for free. You're going to take the root page that you want to back up. You'll go ahead and share and publish. Turn that on, and you're going to copy the link. Then I log in incognito to my backup account. Here you can already see some of my previous backups, but once my browser has my login context, I'm going to take the URL that I just copied from my publish page, put that in, duplicate, and I tell it to duplicate to my backup workspace. In my case, the duplication took about 4 minutes, so then I'll rename this page, which is the duplicate I just made. So now you can see on the side multiple point-in-time backups, and the advantage I have here is that the backups are fully functional. I can interact with Notion, I can find my files, I can do search, I can do anything I could with the live version, except that this version has not replicated any of the groups or permissions that may have been present in my live version. But from a content standpoint, this is fully workable and usable, unlike all of the other backup options I've explored so far. At that point, I can go back to my live version, which tells me that it's currently still being published, and I can unpublish. And I'm done.